Welcome to today's episode. Our topic is the ketogenic diet and its potential health benefits, including its effects on aging. Whether it's weight loss, treating neurological disorders, or controlling epilepsy, the ketogenic diet has garnered significant attention recently. Let's delve into the scientific findings on this exciting topic together. The ketogenic diet was originally developed as a treatment for epilepsy. Research has shown that it can significantly reduce the frequency of seizures in adults. In some cases, patients even became seizure-free. Of particular note is the ability to remotely monitor via email, which has proven to be an effective method for managing the ketogenic diet in children with epilepsy or glucose transporter type 1 deficiency syndrome. But what about the long-term sustainability of the ketogenic diet as a lifelong nutritional strategy? This is where things get complex. While the ketogenic diet has shown short-term benefits in weight loss and metabolic control, long-term maintenance of a low-carb diet can be challenging. In addition, it is still unclear whether a long-term ketogenic diet can physiologically support us in leading a long and healthy life. Every person is unique, and further research is needed to understand the long-term effects and feasibility of this diet. Interestingly, a lifelong ketogenic diet resulted in increased life expectancy in rats without altering markers of oxidative stress. These results suggest that the ketogenic diet may be suitable for lifelong use under certain conditions. However, it is important to maximize the benefits and minimize the risks, which is why further research is essential. Another exciting aspect is the effects of the ketogenic diet on age-related problems. Research shows that the ketogenic diet can improve mitochondrial muscle mass and function during aging or disease-related muscle loss. In older mice, the ketogenic diet has been shown to increase muscle strength and motor performance and delay age-related decline in muscle function. However, whether and how exactly this can be transferred to humans is still unclear, and, as is often the case, requires further comprehensive studies on humans. Research also suggests that ketosis may have neuroprotective effects during the ketogenic diet, possibly through mechanisms that help stabilize hypoxia-inducible factor 1A and restore energy balance in the brain. The ketogenic diet could improve age-related imbalances in the brain and promote communication between nerve cells. When it comes to the health of our muscles, the ketogenic diet has been shown to maintain skeletal muscle mass and function as we age. This occurs through changes in fiber type, increased mitochondrial biogenesis, and increased antioxidant capacity. The effects on cognitive health are also promising. Ketogenic diet could reduce the accumulation of amyloid plaques in the brain, suggesting possible neuroprotective effects. Early studies suggest that the ketogenic diet may improve cognitive function in older adults, although more research is needed. Interestingly, ketogenic diet was found to inhibit age-related exacerbation of coronavirus infection in mice. Ketogenesis expands tissue-protective T cells, which may provide additional health benefits. In summary, the ketogenic diet offers many promising approaches to improving longevity and quality of life. Whether it's enhancing brain and potentially muscle function, or through their neuroprotective effects, the data is promising. However, more research is needed to understand the long-term effects and sustainability of this diet. At present, most benefits are short-term, making it unclear if lifelong adherence could lead to long-term issues. We hope this episode provides you with an up-to-date overview of the research on this topic and helps you frame this diet for your own goals. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell so you don't miss future episodes. As always, we wish everyone a long, healthy, and happy life. Thank you for watching and stay healthy.